Hey guys, I'm Patty. This is Lil Red Southern Kitchen. That's Tony behind the camera, and he's on my last nerve. Anyway, today we're making Instant Pot turnip greens with purple top turnips. Alright, here I have a piece of turkey wing. Well, one piece of a turkey wing. I'm going to set it down in there. I've got an onion that I chopped up. This is you know what, I want to see how many turnip greens. I got 2 bags, 10 ounce, 12 ounce bags of chopped turnip greens. Don't give me I do not like to do fresh, sorry. I'm lazy. And these are just as good. At least they're not canned, right? I have 4 turnips here. I don't know that I'm going to use all of the turnips, but no heck, why not? I forgot 2 main ingredients. We got some salt, some pepper. I'm sorry, I'm in a hurry. This is the second of 3 videos I'm shooting tonight. I've got a couple tablespoons of sugar. Sugar is used to cut the bitterness of the greens. I've got about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add some minced garlic. The amount is up to you. I love my garlic, so... spoon so I can stir all this up. I'm not prepared. Now I've got most of a 32 ounce, 48 ounce carton of chicken broth. It's probably 32 ounces that's in here. Oh yeah. And that'll cook down. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this and I'm going to set it for 7 minutes. High pressure. 8 minutes. Let's do 8. And then I'm going to let it do a 10-minute natural release. So we'll be right back in several minutes. Alright guys. I cooked this and then did a 10-minute natural release. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and fish this turkey wing out. And I'm going to let it cool. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to cool. Then I'm going to cut the meat off of it. Then we'll bring you back and serve this up. Be back shortly. Alright guys, these are our Instant Pot turnip greens with purple top turnips and smoked turkey. I cut up the turkey and put it back in here. You're just seeing this part. This is part of a meal that you'll see on Friday. You're seeing this on Wednesday. But they are done. I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Share this out on your social media. Give me a comment. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, see you shortly. Bye.